On behalf of the Communist Party of India, I have come here to express our support to the demand raised by the people who belong to OBC communities. We support, our party supports the caste census. When our party has been supporting this demand consistently because we need proper data to evolve proper policies to benefit the socially discriminated sections of our society. The first caste census was done by British in the year 1931. They could not do the second caste census in the year 1941 because of Second World War. After we won the independence, in post-independent India, the caste census was done in 1951. It was a census of caste, tribe and race. After that, we could not do proper census. This is necessary to take affirmative action in favor of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC. As part of affirmative action, the reservation policy has been evolved and reservation is extended. We all know scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, they have reservation up to 22.5%. Then a situation arose. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, they are backward sections. What about other backward sections? Then the Mandal Commission was constituted. Mandal Commission tried to identify the OBC communities across the country. Finally, Mandal Commission made certain recommendations. At that point of time, they said the OBC constitutes almost 52% of the Indian population, but we cannot give reservation 52% because there is ceiling by Supreme Court. Reservation should not exceed 50%. Already the SC/ST have reservation about 22.5%. That is how the Mandal Commission gave 27% reservation to OBCs. And in many states, there are demands. In Bihar, they want a caste census to find out what is the real data. We should have data for evolving policies. Similarly, now in Tamil Nadu, they have around 69% reservation, and reservation policy is evolved by states at same time by the union government, but union government is not appealing to the Supreme Court to lift the ban. In such a situation, the caste census has become imperative, and every state there is demand, people are agitating. It is time the union government headed by Mr. Modi should take a decision and to concede the demand of the people who belong to OBCs, so that we have real data and we can evolve proper policies for the benefit of OBCs.